Furballs and Furballs, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be installing a Indian curly ponytail. This is 24 inches from Hair Are Us. This isn't your regular drawstring ponytail from the beauty supply store. So you guys go ahead and stay tuned as we slay this ponytail, okay? So for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I absolutely love this ponytail. Of course, I'm uploading this video a little bit later. You know, I've been a little busy, but I absolutely love this ponytail. I wore this ponytail for about 2 weeks straight, I think, before I had to turn around and do the next hairstyle. So the hair is pure Indian hair. I will leave my code down below so you guys can get money off if you purchase anything from Hair Are Us. But this ponytail lasts. All you got to do is spray a little water on it, brush it. You can wear it up in a bun. Like, it's amazing. I absolutely love this ponytail, and I'm pretty sure you guys will love it too. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys let me know any other styles that you want to see. You guys have a fluffy day.